Hello, dear students. So, we proceed with our next topic of chapter number 11, that is combined standard deviation. So, to calculate combined mean of two or more groups, similarly, the combined standard deviation of two or more groups can be calculated. तो कहते हैं जिस तरह हम कंबाइंड मीन को कैलकुलेट करते हैं टू और मोर ग्रुप्स में उसी तरह हम कंबाइंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन भी निकाल सकते हैं. द कंबाइंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ टू ग्रुप्स इज डिनोटेड बाय standard deviation 1 2 and it is computed as follows. Under root n1 standard deviation of 1 का square plus n2 standard deviation of 2 का square plus n1 d1 का whole square d1 का square plus n2 d2 का square upon n1 plus n2. Here standard deviation 1 or 2 stands for the combined standard deviation. Standard deviation 1, that is the standard deviation of first group. Standard deviation 2, it means standard deviation of second group. And how we calculate d1? We calculate d1 as mean minus combined mean. And d2 is mean minus combined mean. The above formula can be extended to calculate the standard deviation of 3 or more groups. For example, combined standard deviation of 3 groups is given by n1 standard deviation of 1 का square, n2 standard deviation of 2 का square, n3 standard deviation of 3 का square plus n1 d1 का square, n2 d2 का square, n3 d3 का square. Overall under root is there and divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. So we are having this following illustration. Two samples of size 100 and 150 respectively. So here we are having n1 that is 100 and 2 that is 150. Mean 50, mean 60. So we take it as mean of first group, mean of second group. Standard deviation is 5. Means standard deviation of first group is 5 and standard deviation of second group is 6. So firstly we will calculate the combined mean. How we calculate the combined mean? n1 mean of first group plus n2 mean of second group divided by n1 plus n2. n1 stands for 100, mean of first group is 50 plus 150 into 60 upon 100 plus 150. Here we are having 5000 plus 150 into 60, that is 9000 divided by 250. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14,000 divided by 250, that is 56. After that we calculate d1, that is mean of first minus combined mean. Mean of first is 50, combined mean is 56, that is minus 6. d2, mean of second minus combined mean, 60 minus 56, that is 4. So the formula for standard deviation is, combined standard deviation is n1 standard deviation of 1 का square plus n2 standard deviation of 2 का square plus n1 d1 का square plus n2 d2 का square upon n1 plus n2. n1 stands for 100. Standard deviation of 1 का square means 5 का square plus 150. Standard deviation of 2 का square means 6 का square plus 100 into d1 का square means minus 6 का square plus 150 into 4 का square. Put under root 100 plus 150. After solving this, we will get 2500 plus 5400 plus 3600 plus 2400 upon 250. So after adding all this, we will have 13900 divided by 250. After dividing this, we will get 55.6. And we are having standard deviation 7.46. So this is the formula for combined standard deviation, and in this way we will calculate the combined standard deviation. Firstly we calculate the combined mean, then we calculate the combined standard deviation. Next we are having the variance. So variance is another measure of dispersion. Variance एक another measure है dispersion का. The term variance was first used by R.A. Fisher. ये term सबसे पहले R.A. Fisher ने use की थी 1918 में. और बेसिकली वेरिएंस क्या है? इट इज़ अ स्क्वायर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. मतलब स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन के स्क्वायर को हम क्या कहते हैं? वेरिएंस. सो देयर आर फॉलोइंग मेथड्स ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग वेरिएंस. वेरिएंस इज इक्वल्स टू समीशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी x माइनस मीन का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन n. दिस इज बाय एक्चुअल मीन मैथड. And in assume mean method, we are having a formula summation of ft square upon n minus summation of ft upon n का whole square. And step deviation method is summation of fd dash square upon n minus summation of fd dash upon n का whole square multiply c square. So this is the continuous series. So this is a continuous series, and firstly we calculate the mean. They have asked calculate mean and variance from the data given below. So write down the class intervals over here. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency we are having 2, 7, 10, 5, 3. Calculate mid value. Mid value होती है lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 30 plus 20, that is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40, that is 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35. And then is 45. After that we are having deviations. M minus A. Assumed mean I am taking, assumed average I am taking 25. 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. 15 minus 25 minus 10. 25 minus 25, that is 0. 35 minus 25, that is 10. 45 minus 25, that is 20. After that we calculate D dash. D dash is D divided by C. C is the difference between that. C is 10. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. After that we calculate FD dash. 2 into 2, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. 7 into minus 1, that is minus 7. 10 into 0, that is 0. 5 into 1, that is 5. 3 into 2, that is 6. After that we calculate FD dash square. Minus 4 into minus 2, that is 8. Minus 7 into minus 1, 7. 0 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5. 6 into 2, 12. Five plus 6, 11, and 7 plus 4, 11. Minus 11. Minus 4 minus 11 is minus 7 is minus 11. So 11 में से 11 गए 0. And we are having the total of frequency as 27. So firstly we have to calculate the mean. So the formula for mean is assumed mean plus summation of FD dash upon summation of F into C. That is 25 plus 0 upon 27 into 10. So 25 0 को अगर हम डिवाइड करें मल्टीप्लाई करें तब भी 0 आता है. So we are having this mean. After that we can calculate the variance. That is standard deviation square. Summation of FD upon n, FD dash square upon n, summation of FD dash upon n whole square into c square. So we are having summation of FD dash square is 32, n is 27, summation of FD dash is 0 upon 27 का whole square into c square is 10 square. So after solving this we are having 1.185 minus 0 into 100. So 1.185 into 100, that is 118.51. So variance is 118.51.